Now we are going to start with black and white. So this is Fabio's black paint. We may have to give second coat here. This is the butter in his hands. कृष्ण जी के हाथों में मक्खन है ये. I'm giving second coat here. We have to wash the brush in between because paint gets accumulated in the end of the bristles. And then our brush will not draw the thin line. We will use pink color for the lips. Because we have given red color background. So I'm just going to use pink color. Because anyway, this is Bal Krishna. So Krishna ji's बाल स्वरूप. और बच्चे के होठ तो बहुत प्यारे गुलाबी होते हैं. Child has very lovely pink color lips. We'll have to draw outline everywhere. So we'll finish the black color work first. I'll do the half side now. This till here is the original Jamini Roy, but we should not copy somebody's painting. So he has also made some design here and there. So I'm going to do some designing. I'll paint the half side and then later on we'll see the other half. So this is white paint. Everywhere we have to give second coat. Okay, we'll wait. I want to fill the white paint in the nails. Now let's start decorating the roof and the earthen pots. This I have to do again because this line is going throughout the roof. This is black paint. You can do this work if you don't have dotting tool. Use the back end of your brush. Nothing great, we are just making dots. Once dots will dry, then we will make the feather again. Dots can be small, can be big, can be medium. I'll try to complete half side. Hold your breath and then draw the line. Please make sure that you are giving a second coat that you can give next day. Here also black outline will be there. Once this shade dries, then we will make the black outline. These all are Bengal Alpna designs which we learned earlier. If you are not confident painting with free hand, please draw and then you paint these details. Now see, this paint which is accumulated here will cause trouble to brush. It will get dry and then our brush will be spoiled. So we have to remove it, wash our brush and wipe our brush. This exercise we have to do regularly. And the best thing for this is to keep the soap water with you. So soap water will solve half the problem. This is our one side. Now, if we want, we can do something on this also. On the red side. But before that, I'll give the outline from black here. For that, I'm going to turn we have to also show yellow color jewelry in the neck. So this is yellow color. You can make dots with brush also. Okay, now this side is totally wet. So what I'm going to do, I'll draw on the right hand side. As you can see, the pen is not working properly. So I'll do it with the paint. And this side also in like parallel to this. So same design, what we have done will come to this side also. And bottom and side, I'm just showing you because this is totally wet. Here also I can see some third coat, fourth coat we have to give. This side, these lines will be more here because our kalash is here. So the gap we have taken roughly 3 centimeter. You decide your own gap. So same pattern we will follow here. 3 lines, this petal and dot. Again 3 lines, petal and dot. But right now, because everything is wet, so I cannot try. I show you here. We have to give second coat of paint everywhere. Second, third, fourth. Unless we get very smooth surface, we will keep on giving coats. I am using the back end of the brush to make the dots. ये डॉटिंग टूल्स नेल आर्ट के टूल्स कहलाते हैं और इजीली सब जगह अवेलेबल होते हैं हर कंट्री में. These are nail art tools and they are easily available online in every country. So our painting will look like this when it will be completed. We have to complete this side. When you make the feather, make sure you are taking strokes from inside out. Outer line should be very thin. Okay, it will be like this. With this, I take leave. Thank you for liking, sharing, and subscribing the information about my YouTube channel. Dhanyavad. Namaste.